यस मैम, तालियां तो बनती हैं, एक बार कस के ताली हो जाए। आगाज सही हो तो अंजाम बहुत अच्छा होता है। And that is what I would want to congratulate each one of you. My dear students, my dear teachers, and above all, the leader who is doing such a blessed work out here, dear brother Joseph. A big congratulations to all of you. Today, I am very delighted to be here as a chief guest because the title and the theme touches me what I strongly believe in. The healthy beginnings and hopeful future. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जिंदगी में एक चीज याद रखना, हेल्दी होना बहुत जरूरी है. If you are not healthy, you will not be able to focus on anything. You cannot focus on studies, you cannot focus on your family, you cannot focus on anything. So being healthy is very important. And how do you become healthy is making sure you have the healthy beginnings. I am very delighted that this title, which has been conceptualized by Brother Joseph, has a lot of meaning to communicate. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, healthy beginnings start from the home, and healthy beginnings need remembering God first. When I came here, that lovely prayer by the young boy and then the blessed song showed me that we are in the right time, beginning with the right thing. Keep God first. The time God is in the beginning, there is a healthy beginning. You believe in Christ, you believe in Krishna, you believe in Allah. Make sure beginning of a day starts with God. And if you have a confusion, if you are atheist, then take my words, the beginning has to be at the feet of your parents. माता पिता को आगे रखोगे तो जिंदगी में आगे जाओगे. Healthy beginnings need right direction. Direction is important, my dear children, because that only decides your future. Success is by three things. Dear parents, dear teachers, three things will decide your success. Desire, dedication, and discipline. Desire, dedication, and discipline. But more important than these 3D is the direction. The right direction will either make you Peace Nobel Peace Award winner Barack Obama or a terrorist Osama. Direction is very important. Obama versus Osama. My dear students, make sure your direction is correct. And for that, you need the teachers to guide you well. जिंदगी में अगर आगे बढ़ना है, तो टीचर के सामने झुकना कभी मत भूलना. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. In our culture, as an Indian, we put teacher ahead of a God also. I really need a big round of applause for my teachers out here. A right teacher will decide a right future for you. And that's why it's everything about the healthy beginnings for the hopeful future. I salute Brother Joseph and the management of Little Flower for having brought so many people and 14 organizations together. I'm very happy to see Montfort Brothers bringing all the institutions together, especially DPS and Sacred Heart, because संगठन में शक्ति है. Unity is needed. In this literary fest, you may win, you may lose, but winning and losing should not divide you, rather it should unite you. My dear students and all the friends from different schools, such kind of fest needs to be conducted more and more, and we all need to get involved into these fests more and more. I will close with one word for my dear students and teachers. Focus on three things, beta. Studies, sports and skills. इन तीन चीजों में फोकस करो. Studies, sports and skills. Whatever skill, the literary skills, debating skills, the music skills. I was very much happy seeing that first class student who was playing the drums. There is no age for learning skills. I know. Yes, I need a big round of applause for that young boy. Can I call him over the stage for a small prize? You know, my favorite pen. This is the virus का पेन है भाई. ये दे रहा हूँ मैं अपने बच्चे को. And ये पेन इसलिए भी देना चाहता हूँ, dear brother and teachers, because एक चीज जान लेना है. मेरी आवाज में ताकत हो ना हो, मेरी बॉडी में पावर हो ना हो, कलम में ताकत होती है. आपका कलम जो भी हो, जहाँ पे भी हो, वो सही लिखे और अच्छे के लिए लिखे, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड इसीलिए लिटरेरी फेस्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक चीज़ याद रखिएगा, जहाँ न पहुँचे रवि वहाँ पहुँचे कवि. जहाँ न पहुँचे रवि वहाँ पहुँचे कवि. तो स्टडीज में अव्वल रहना है, लेकिन स्किल्स में भी अव्वल रहना है, और स्पोर्ट्स में भी अव्वल रहना है. मी अंदर मुंदु हिंदीलो इंग्लिशलो మాట్లాడుతున్నాను ఎందుకు? బికాజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎవ్రీ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, has to be respected, and we need to empower ourselves with every language which is possible. We are from the land where Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao has been a very strong leader, and he was a linguist. Apparently he knew 26 languages. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, लैंग्वेज में लिट फेस्ट का फर्स्ट वर्ड इज एल है. लैंग्वेज में आगे रहना है. बीट हिंदी, English, Telugu or even Urdu. How many languages do I speak? Take my guess. It is more than 7 languages. Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, Bhojpuri. And in सबसे दारी बेहतरीन ब्यूटीफुल लैंग्वेज उर्दू. तो कभी भी लैंग्वेज की तरह झगड़े करने के बजाय सारी लैंग्वेज को अपनाना ही आपका मकसद होना चाहिए. एक चीज याद रखिए, वी आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ लैंड which believes in Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. The whole world is my family. And what else but a literary fest to bring all of us together. I congratulate each one of you for participating today and coming here with full energy, and I want Brother Joseph and everybody for doing this. May God bless you all. May God bless you with a bright future. Take care. God bless you. Bye. Namaskar.